How to fix render blocking Google Fonts in WordPress to get high page speed score. So this is test website. I'm using a Elementor plugin here, and I have fonts, custom Google fonts that I used in that page. And this is PageSpeed Insights report. It shows us 90 page speed score, which is okay, but we can improve it further and get 100 page speed score. So if we check Largest Contentful Paint is 2.9 seconds, First Contentful Paint is also 2.9. And in details, we can see that render blocking requests, we have 4 CSS files downloaded from Google website. So they are fonts, Google fonts. And in network dependency, we can see that those CSS files also load font files separately. Let's see it in debug there. If we navigate to requests page, and here show all requests until Largest Contentful Paint. And here we can see that 4 render blocking CSS files are shown. And in total, we have 7 requests happening until Largest Contentful Paint. And let's improve it. Let's try to improve it. I am using auto-optimize plugin for improving for other parts of this website. Also, this plugin has a feature to optimize Google Fonts. So here, if we navigate after installing and activating it, we navigate to Settings, Auto-Optimize page, and from tabs, navigate to Extra tab. And here we can see that Google Fonts is left as is, so we don't do any optimization here. And those results that we got. Now let's optimize it. Best option here is to combine and link deferred in head. So we have seen that 4 different CSS files loaded. We want to combine them, so it will be one CSS file and multiple fonts. So let's use this option and save changes. Clear cache if you are using caching plugin. And this is results after using lazy loading those Google fonts. So what happens here? We have 100 page speed score, but it's not stable. So sometime with some other tests, we can get 95. So it fluctuates between 95 and 100, depending on network connectivity. Because those Google fonts are connected from Google servers, so it's different web server, different network, and users may have different speed for different networks, and that's why we can see this fluctuating score. And let's check debug BM report. After running test, navigate to requests page and see all requests until Largest Contentful Paint. And here we see only 3 requests, which is great, which means we are lazy loading Google fonts and they are not render blocking anymore, which is a huge win for page speed. And if we want to see all requests, we can see that it's this Google font CSS has a lowest priority, and then this separate font files. So we have here 6 different font files. They are highest priority. So they are still downloaded, but it's not render blocking, and we get Largest Contentful Paint in 1.6 seconds, which is great. Now let's completely remove Google fonts and see what happens. Personally, I prefer removing Google fonts because I don't like using custom fonts. I am okay using with default fonts, and additionally, it will speed up my website. So Auto-Optimize has an option to remove Google fonts. So if we check this one and save changes, then clear site cache and run test. This test is run without any Google fonts, and we have stable 100 page speed score here, and Largest Contentful Paint is 1.4 seconds. While previously with lazy loading, when we get 95, our Largest Contentful Paint sometimes gets 2.9 seconds, and it fluctuates between 1.7 and 2.9 seconds. But with removing Google fonts, we get stable 1.4, 1.5 largest contentful paint time. So this is great. Without Google fonts, it's okay. If you prefer remove it and you don't know where to remove it, or if you don't want to remove it one by one, you can use this option in Auto Optimize plugin, and that will remove it all custom Google fonts from your website or from your all web pages. And let's check the bugbear. After running test, navigate to requests tab, and here we can see 3 requests. And if you want to see all requests, we don't see any custom fonts here. So they are completely removed, no CSS, no font files. So this is how you can improve your WordPress website by disabling. So either option is good, because default option, which was render blocking, that was the worst case. So if you want to optimize, use either combine and defer, which will lazy load, or remove Google Fonts completely. That's how you can get 100 page speed score. And optimizing this demo website, I designed it with Elementor plugin. If you want to optimize it, I have a full video tutorial that shows how to optimize every part of it. Add caching, optimize CSS, optimize JavaScript, optimize fonts, lazy load images, etc. You can get a high page speed score by optimizing WordPress and optimizing Elementor. These settings can apply for using any WordPress website or optimizing any of them. Also, I have a downloadable checklist that you can download from my website, webpa.com/speed. It's a simple PDF checklist. You can use that to optimize WordPress as well. Also, I have another video where I show how to optimize local fonts. So custom local fonts, which option to use. There I also get 100 page speed score by optimizing local custom fonts in WordPress. See you in those videos. I'll post link in description. See you in there. Thank you for watching. Bye.